The Fundamental of Sales in 11 episodes. Episode 7: 11 Steps to Focus on Benefits, Not Features in Sales. In sales, it's easy to get caught up in the features of a product or service. After all, features are what make a product unique and help differentiate it from competitors. However, focusing solely on features can make it difficult to communicate the true value of what you're selling. That's where focusing on benefits comes in. Benefits are the positive outcomes that a customer can expect from using your product or service. By focusing on benefits, you can help customers understand how your product or service can improve their lives, solve their problems, or meet their needs. Here are 11 steps to help you focus on benefits, not features, in your sales pitch. 1. Understand your customer's needs. To focus on benefits, you need to understand what your customer needs. Start by asking questions to learn about their pain points, challenges, and goals. Once you understand their needs, you can tailor your pitch to show how your product or service can meet those needs. 2. Identify the features of your product or service. Before you can focus on benefits, you need to know what features your product or service offers. Make a list of all the features and functions of your product or service. 3. Translate features into benefits. Once you have a list of features, it's time to translate them into benefits. For example, if your product has a long battery life, the benefit might be that the customer can use it all day without needing to recharge. 4. Use customer language. When you're describing benefits, use language that your customer will understand and relate to. Avoid using technical jargon or industry-specific terms that might be confusing. 5. Use real-world examples. To make your benefits more tangible, use real-world examples of how your product or service has helped other customers. This can help customers see how your product or service can solve their problems or meet their needs. 6. Show the value. Customers want to know what they're getting for their money. Show the value of your product or service by highlighting the benefits and how they outweigh the cost. 7. Use storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful way to communicate the benefits of your product or service. Use stories to show how your product or service has helped other customers and how it can help the customer you're talking to. 8. Focus on outcomes. Customers don't buy products or services for the features, they buy them for the outcomes. Focus on the outcomes that your product or service can provide, such as increased productivity, improved health, or more free time. 9. Use emotional appeals. Emotions play a big role in purchasing decisions. Use emotional appeals to show how your product or service can make the customer's life better, easier, or more enjoyable. 10. Use visual aids. Visual aids can help customers understand the benefits of your product or service. Use charts, graphs, or images to show how your product or service can improve their lives. 11. Practice, practice, practice. Focusing on benefits takes practice. Practice your pitch until you can communicate the benefits of your product or service in a clear and compelling way. In conclusion, focusing on benefits, not features, is essential in sales. By understanding your customer's needs, translating features into benefits, using customer language, and using real-world examples, you can communicate the true value of your product or service. Remember to focus on outcomes, use emotional appeals, and use visual aids to help customers understand how your product or service can improve their lives. And don't forget to practice your pitch until you can communicate the benefits in a clear and compelling way. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 8 to 11 Steps to Listen More Than You Talk in Sales.